Welcome to the Holy Yogi, where we help you find the guru inside of you. Hello, beautiful. Hello, handsome. And if no one told you today that they love you, let me be the first. I love you. And I want you to have a phenomenal day today because of the fact that love what makes the world go round. So let me give you some cyber hug. Mwah. Okay, with this technology, we're going to make the most out of it. Get personal without taking it personal. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to immediately, instantaneously connect with the God, the goddess inside of you. And how you do that, simply put, you're going to deal with the sound of God. The sound of God is You may know the sound of God as Allah, Jehovah, Buddha, Yahweh, Asar, Aset, Ashe, Amen. You see, every day, as far as the Indians' language is concerned, every day we're making that sound, and sometimes we're oblivious to it. So what I'm going to do is help you connect with that sound. Once you connect with that sound and it vibrates throughout your whole entire being, you become one with God. What you don't realize is that when you're in the womb of your mother, that vibrational sound was surrounding you in existence to bring you from heaven back here to earth into this dimension. So once you immediately hear that sound, your body immediately vibrates and it makes that divine connection. Even your brain cells make that divine connection with that sound. Immediately goes into a place of peace, to a place of tranquility, to a place of your original one with the divine. And we know that as love, as peace, as happiness, as joy. And instantaneously, once you go there, you make that connection. That's why they always recommend that people do the sound mantras and make those sounds to automatically get them closer when they go into the meditation state. Remember, prayer is our conversation with God. Meditation is God's answer back to us. So as you start to get that connection with the divine within inside of you, within the goddess inside of you, all you need to do is return back to Let's do a brief demonstration of it. Namah Shivaya. Mayati Makeru. I'm breezy Nama. Instantaneously, when I make that sound, immediately I go back and I reconnect. Immediately my brain starts to relax. I feel a sense of tranquility because I am remembering via that sound who I really am. Now you tap into that. Learn these mantras in future, videos. Be aboard. I'm going to go through some of those mantras I just now share with you. You probably know nothing about. One of them brings you peace and tranquility. Another one brings you a wonderful relationship. Another one brings you money, wealth, and abundance. So isn't that purposeful for each and every one of us? So now reconnect with the Most High. All you need to do is go into a place called and you shall return to that place of peace, omnipotent essence, the force, the Most High, the beautiful, the gorgeous that you already are. Enjoy life. Hetapu, peace, namaste, Holy Yogi. Subscribe, and I'll be happy to give you more information. Bye-bye for now.